Welcome to my channel. I'm Grandma Mongerdogger. Guys, today we're going to be making a special treat using onions and strawberries. Now don't worry, we're not going to slap your fat lips with something toxic or spicy time thricey. Why does it look like I'm holding a tortilla sometimes and other times I'm holding a cheesecake? I don't know. I'm going to be cooking up some tasty peanut buttered fried chicken and Salt Lake Seagull sauce. Now look, I know what you're thinking. Seagull sauce? When you taste this, you'll be like, but seriously, folks, you're really going to love this. Don't knock it until you try it. Now, the secret to this amazing recipe is, whoa! Please, please, let's start over. And that's how you make the perfect taco.